Another configuration area is the product sync. Consider creating a prefix for your syncs. Welcome to a simple steps tutorial / demo of the Shopify integration with InFlow. I'm Lance, inventory software expert since 2006. And if you'd like to see the deep dive demo of this, be sure to click on the link below. And also be sure to subscribe to see more videos. So InFlow is no stranger to Shopify. Shopify is the most popular e-commerce platform these days. And of course, Shopify integrates with it. Think also of Shopify as an e-commerce hub as well. If you're wondering if InFlow integrates with a particular e-commerce platform, take a look and see if Shopify integrates with that platform and consider using Shopify as a hub. Okay, let's take a look at the Shopify integration with InFlow. The Shopify integration with InFlow is actually found from your Shopify store. So you would go to your Shopify store first. Let's go there to see this screen. This is just a demo mock Shopify store. Go to the apps on the bottom left-hand corner, and in the app and sales channel settings area, just do a search in the Shopify app store for InFlow, and you'll see InFlow in the Shopify apps store. All right, so once you add the InFlow to the Shopify app store, then once you have InFlow connected to Shopify, if you go to there, you can access the configuration settings to configure the automated flow and the default settings between Shopify and InFlow. So here we see we can connect different locations. A location is a warehouse address, a site with an address. You'll see these 4 tabs here. Another configuration area is the product sync. How do you want your products to sync, and what data do you want to sync between the products and InFlow? And we have the orders sync. So there's 2 main syncs. We're syncing products and we're syncing orders. In order for orders to sync, products have to sync, right? So here are the configuration settings to set for orders to sync, and consider creating a prefix for your syncs. So you see what is going to be a Shopify order versus other orders. And here we also have settings to help us determine how to resolve conflicts, and that's helpful. So let's take a look at syncing a product and then syncing an order. So here on the Shopify store, I'm going to create a new product and we'll see it sync into InFlow. And we're going to sell cabbage. Why not? Get all the information in there, click Save. It's in Shopify. Now let's go take a look at InFlow to see it pop up in InFlow. Go to the products section, and there we see it. There's our cabbage. It's almost instant. All right, let's do that with orders too. We're gonna create an order in Shopify. I'll go to orders, create order, top right-hand corner, create, click, and then we start adding products. Let's sell some potatoes, shows us availability. And we're going to sell some turnips, and we're going to sell some cabbage. So we're creating our order in Shopify right now. And we'll create. So now after we create it, we give it a minute. We don't have to do anything else. We don't have to click a sync button. It syncs automatically, but orders take a minute. Products are instant, but orders take a minute. So I'm going to grab a drink. I'll see you in a second. All right, let's see what we got. I'm going to go into InFlow, go to the sales order section. There we go. Shopify order that we're looking for is called InFlow 2984. 2984. And there it is, 2984. And there you go. It's as simple as that. Product sync and order sync. Let us know if you have more questions about the Shopify integration with InFlow. I'm Lance, inventory software expert since 2006. Be sure to comment below, click like if you like this video. Be sure to subscribe to see more helpful videos like this.